something that made me think of you.
Can I see it? What is it?
Can you give it? What are we doing?
Baking macarons.
Fresh macaron. What are you?
Is it Tokyo drifting?
Right here?
Hold on, let me turn my flash on. Oh, wait, you have flash too.
Okay, where? Right here?
Yeah. Then make it drip too.
Bro, I'm so sorry, Heaven. Looks like chocolate.
No, it's not. It's doo-doo, bro.
Do you want to taste it?
No.
Smell it.
Can one of you smell it?
You want it?
What the fuck?
Do you?
Stop! Is this a prank? I fucking hate it. No, you know what? I'm actually so relieved.
We had leftover chocolate because we were
You guys
baking.
scared the fuck out
And-
of me. This is my karma because I was trolling him too. I was telling him shit like Dr. Phil's gay, and he was like, "Really?" I was like, yeah. My karma. I need to stop lying to people.
Bro, when you called me, I was like, I could not breathe. I was like, I did not laugh.
The way she sounded was so scary. She's like, "Heaven." I'm like, did someone take off my fucking wheels?
I thought you should, like, because I heard you guys shout on heaven.
Wait, what? Wait, really? Where? Wait,
bigger than
are you
mine.
allergic to peanut butter?
No.
Okay.
Your phone, you can try, but they always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still come back running. Yeah, they wish that
Later that same evening.
Wait, do an OOTD with me.
Oh hell no!
What?
No!
What? You look comfy! You look comfy!
What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm not dressed
You
up.
look comfy. I'm not
PJs.
dressed. I'm wearing a Hot Wheels set from Forever
Okay, but
21.
you look more put together.
Have y'all know I can't hang out with this woman because she loves designer as much as me. What time is it?
It's 1:53.
Fit check, bro. Come on.
You know, it'd be funny if you moved the camera. I love Lexi's mom.
It's here.
What is that?
The chocolate rocks.
You like? That's weird.
Yeah.
Weird.
29 grams of carbs.
What about the?
Dude, I used to eat so much of this. Bro, I buy a bunch of salad kits and like eat the whole thing. Like I eat one bag of the salad kit. Like this. I'll eat this and I'll throw like the grilled chicken that you can buy. The Tyson grilled chicken. What time is it?
We've been here for an hour.
No
Bruh.
way.
Let's go. Dude, my phone's at 15%.
How's it going?
So we went on a 2 a.m. grocery run.
Okay. Can I
Okay.
see it? What is it?
Can you give it?
Leave my home.
Hi besties! Bye besties! Okay, good night.
My
Good
name's
night.
Chris, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good stream.
Thanks, man.
It's soft.
I bet it is. Hit the road, soft and cuddly. Silky, soft throw.